Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Humanity UAPD. Today is day 12 of our 28-day free English course. In this lesson, we will learn how to talk about daily routine in English using simple and easy sentences. By the end of this video, you will be able to describe your daily activities. Use the present simple tense correctly. Speak about your routine with confidence. So let's begin. A daily routine is the set of activities you do every day. For example, waking up in the morning, brushing your teeth, going to school or work, eating meals, relaxing in the evening, sleeping at night. Daily routines give structure and help us manage our time better. Let's learn some important verbs used in daily routines. Repeat after me. Wake up, brush teeth, have breakfast, go to work, go to school, read, exercise, relax, sleep. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I go to work by bus. I read a book in the evening. I sleep at 10:30 p.m. Great job. We use the present simple tense to talk about daily routines because these actions happen regularly. Subject plus base verb. I wake up early. She goes to school at 8 a.m. They work until evening. Remember, with he, she, it, add s or es. He reads a book. She works in an office. Now listen to a full daily routine example. Every day, I wake up at 6:30 a.m., I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have a healthy breakfast. I go to work at 8 a.m. and start my day at 9 a.m. In the afternoon, I have lunch with my colleagues. After work, I exercise or read a book. I eat dinner with my family and go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Simple and clear. Let's do a quick practice. Fill in the blank. I up at 7 a.m. I say breakfast in the morning. Try writing 5 sentences about your own routine in the comments. Here are some easy tips. Start with short sentences. Use common verbs. Add time words like morning, afternoon, evening. Practice every day. Small practice leads to big improvement. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak a little English every day, and you will become confident and fluent step by step. Today, you learned what a daily routine is, common daily routine verbs, how to use the present simple tense, how to describe your full day in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, comment your daily routine, share with friends, subscribe for day 13 of our free English course, and don't forget to visit EnglishHumanityUAPD.com. See you in the next lesson.